What's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a quick little video to show you guys my live streaming setup over here that I've been using today. So let's jump right into it. Here we have a bunch of the equipment that I'm using today. My brains in my setup, the Osee GoStream Deck video switcher. I got the Obsbot tail air. I got the wireless microphone kit, the X5 by Full Aim. I got the smart remote controller for the Obsbot tail air right over here. Fantastic. We'll talk about more about this. I got this USB-C to Ethernet adapter cable over here, which is going to be amazing for my setup, which I have currently connected so I can use the tail air via NDI, etc. We got a filter kit, an ND filter kit, which comes with NDI 4, 8, 16, and 32. They are magnetic and they also are stackable, which I just find incredible. Again, the tail air does come in here. I have another tail air, so I got two tail airs. So that is most of the box of all the equipment that I'm using. So here is the one tail air right over here, and this is the GoStream Deck. Here is another tail air. So let me just give you a quick little breakdown. This is the Osee GoStream Deck video switcher. I have all of my HDMI and inputs connected over here. So this tail air is actually connected via NDI because I actually have connected this cable over here. I have two of these cables. This one is not in use at the moment, but you can see over here, this is the adapter cable that I have connected. So I'm supplying an Ethernet network connection to this tail air over here, and that is what's allowing me to connect this tail air to the GoStream Deck via NDI, because I also have another one of these network Ethernet connection cables, this yellow one. This is also sending a network Ethernet connection to the GoStream Deck. So therefore, the GoStream Deck and this tail air is both on the same network, so I can connect, and which I have connected, and that's what I've been using today in this video. This right over here is my NDI source right over here, the auxiliary, and that is coming from the tail air. Again, this tail air is connected via HDMI. This is a micro HDMI cable, which is running right over here to the back of the GoStream Deck as an HDMI cable, but the regular size HDMI. So micro to regular size HDMI. And again, this one I can also control with the smart remote controller. I can control both of these with the smart remote controller. So right now I have it set to number 2. You can see number 2 is highlighted in green. So for an example, I can move this bad boy around and this guy is going to be panning up and tilting, etc. Or I can switch it to number 1. As you can see, number 1 is now highlighted in green, and now I can tilt or pan or whatever, zoom in with this little control here at the side. This is allowing it to zoom in and to zoom out. I can enable also auto tracking. So why don't I go ahead and briefly do that for you guys. So look, I'm going to press this tracking button over here, and now you'll notice that it's blue. And now when I move around, this tail air is actually following us. It's tracking me. Auto focus, auto exposure, auto tracking. It's just fantastic. I really have been enjoying the remote controls and the tail airs. You can't leave out the ZCam. This is the ZCam E2M4 cinema camera. Again, that's another one of my HDMI inputs. Taking a look at it right over here. Let me just give you guys a bigger view. That is the ZCam right over here. A nice wide screen, wide shot for you guys. And right over here is my GH6, my top-down view, which is showing you guys my whole setup. So this is the GH6 right over here, top-down view, just basically showing the whole setup that I have going on over here. And look at that shot for the top-down view. I really do like that shot of the top-down view, basically showing you guys my whole setup. You see the nice behind the scenes with the ZCam. I got my other HDMI inputs all set up over here and my audio level meters, etc. This is fantastic. I've really been enjoying it. The G7, Osee G7, my external monitor over here, this is what's showing me my program on what my viewers are actually looking at. So anytime I make a switch over here on the GoStream Deck, for an example, using the T-bar handle or using any one of these buttons over here, this is what my viewers are actually going to be looking at. Okay, so for an example, they might look at that shot, they might look at that shot, or they might look at my auxiliary shot, which is my other tail air right over there. So overall, I've been definitely very impressed with it. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys do have any comments or questions, let me know down in the comment section down below. This is my live streaming setup using the tail air, the GoStream Deck. I've been really enjoying it. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time. Peace.